Have you ever wondered why some leaders can walk into a room, share an idea, and suddenly the whole team's on fire, moving in sync towards a common goal? And then there are other times you talk, you explain, you even plead, and nothing happens. The difference isn't charisma, it's not even authority, it's vision. And more importantly, how that vision is used every single day to inspire aligned action. In this video, I'm going to show you how leaders like you can turn vision into a daily driver for purposeful, energized action in your team or business. Hi, my name is Tech and welcome back to TechO.com, your leadership and growth channel. Whether you're leading a company, a small team, or just yourself and a few collaborators, one truth holds. People don't just follow orders, they follow purpose. The best leaders don't simply direct action, they inspire it. They paint a picture of what's possible, a clear, meaningful, and energizing picture, and then continually align people's behavior, goals, and decisions toward that picture. Vision isn't just a poster on the wall. It's a tool, a compass, an inspiring flag that's planted on a hill. Today, I'm going to break down how you can use vision to inspire aligned action, not just once at a strategy day, but every single day. First, your vision needs to be compelling, clear, and emotionally engaging. A weak vision is just a vague statement, we're going to be the best in our industry. A strong vision inspires and energizes. We empower small business owners to succeed on their own terms every day. Ask yourself, what are we trying to build together? Who are we doing it for? Why does it matter? If your team cannot repeat your vision in one sentence, you've got work to do. But after that, here's where most leaders fall short. They announce a great vision, and then crickets. Your job as a leader is to connect daily tasks back to the bigger picture. For example, if a team member is fixing a customer issue, remind them. Every time we solve a problem, mate, like this, we live our mission of being a trusted partner. In meetings, start with, how is this helping us move closer to our vision? Now, this isn't fluff, it's fuel. Purpose turns routine tasks into meaningful progress. The next step is to align goals and KPIs to the vision. If your KPIs reward speed, but your vision is about care and trust, you're creating attention, not alignment. Review your terms' goals. Do they reflect the behaviors and outcomes that support your vision? Are people rewarded for doing things that move the needle in the right direction? That is, are they rewarded for outcome, not output? Leaders align not just people, but systems. Vision must shape your metrics, your incentives, and feedback loops. Remember, vision isn't just spoken, it's embodied. So you need to model the vision physically and energetically. If your vision is about innovation and courage, but day to day you play it safe, avoid hard conversations or delay decisions, your actions are speaking louder than your words. Ask yourself daily, am I showing up in a way that reflects the vision I'm asking others to believe in? Your posture, your tone, your decisions, they all either reinforce or undermine the vision. Vision sticks when it's felt, not just heard. So be prepared to use stories and rituals. Tell stories of people in your team who live the vision. Publicly reward them at team events and explain why they're being rewarded. Create rituals like a weekly shout out or a morning huddle that reflect your purpose. These become culture building tools that make vision tangible and repeatable. So let's bring it all together. If you want to inspire aligned action through vision, remember, define a vision that's clear, compelling, and human. Reconnect tasks to the vision daily. Don't let it sit on a framed poster on the wall. Align goals, metrics, and rewards with the purpose you preach. Model the energy and actions that reflect your vision. Use stories and rituals to make the vision stick. Leadership's not about control, it's about direction. When your team knows why and sees it in action, the what becomes natural and the how becomes inspired. Now, if this resonated with you, don't just click like, act on it. Try starting tomorrow's meeting with one sentence. Here's how this connects to our vision. You'll be surprised at what shifts. And of course, you can hit like right now. Thanks for watching. If you're building your leadership muscle and want more real-world tools for leading with purpose and impact, hit subscribe and drop your thoughts below. See you in the next video, and keep leading forward.